In this video, I'm going to share with you an affordable home option where you can own a home for around $100,000. And this can be cheaper than what you're currently paying in rent. Now, with the August rent rate for 2025, the average rental in the United States was $2,100 a month. And with this option, you can be paying around $500 a month, depending on your credit scores. But you can even qualify for this home option with bad credit. Now, this first option has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths.
Now, as you can see, this home is nice and spacious. It has a beautiful island, and the color scheme is really awesome in this home. You have a light gray along with white, and you have black fixtures. Now, this is being offered by Palm Harbor Homes, and as you can see this double farm sink. Now, with this island, you can have bar stools, and this can offer an additional eating space along with all this counter space and plenty of large cabinets. And you even have a dining room area, and it has a washroom which doubles as a mud room. So this will be the back entrance with washer and dryer hookup. Now, this model is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and with the master bedroom, you do have a master bathroom. So you have plenty of nice space here for these two back bedrooms. And the great part, if you have children, you have this additional main shared bathroom in the back along with your laundry room. So if those teenagers or smaller children and you're trying to do laundry, you're right there at the laundry room. And this has a pantry in the kitchen, and you have your den area, living room area with your master suite. And this is a nice size master suite with a master bedroom ensuite bathroom. And you have the double vanities along with the separate area for your toilet. So that's really nice, because if your spouse or your partner is here washing up and you're using the bathroom facilities, or if they want to take a bath, you can separate it out. And this has a nice size master and a walk-in closet. So this is a decent size walk-in closet for two people, and the space on this unit and the layout of this floor plan is really, really nice. Now, this model is just under 1,500 square feet, and this is the Blue Bonnet 2.0, and this is made by Calvco. This home is being advertised as starting in the 80,000s. Now, depending on where you're putting the home, you might have to have site work, a well, utilities, a utility hookup, but this can be an affordable home
Now,
option.
with these homes, you can actually get these homes with troubled credit scores, but it's best to improve your credit scores because that dictate your interest rate. And with my elite credit system, users like Sean went from a 612 credit score all the way with his credit scores over 770 in a matter of 6 months. And now he's at an 803 credit score, and he was able to get business credit. So if you need my help improving your credit scores, you can click the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you go to my website, I give you this free hard inquiry removal package you can download for free, and that link will be in the description of the video. Now, this next home option will also be 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Now, this home has a large living room and combo with the kitchen with a open floor plan. So as you can see, this has a beautiful island plus big back windows with this beautiful. And this is a large kitchen, especially if you like cooking and entertaining. You have plenty of counter space and cabinet space with the area here for your fridge. And with this open space, you also have an additional space towards the back if you want to make that for your dining area. And you have your family room here. And additionally, with this unit, they are just currently putting it together. So you do see some things that's not totally finished, but you can see the space that you would be getting for this large area. Now, with this would be a master bathroom with an ensuite. So they give you a large soaker tub and you have a shower insert combo. So whatever your preference is when it comes down to bathing and relaxing, along with this huge walk-in closet space. So with a husband and wife or partners, you would not be arguing over which side of the closet and who's taking up a lot of space, because there's plenty of room to share. And this is a large double sink vanity for both of you. And with this space for this ensuite, you can really put your own vision to it. So it's very well lit. And this home have two additional full bedrooms towards the back. So if you have teenagers or even smaller children, you have additional rooms depending on your family size with nice size closet space. And you can also have access to the laundry room in the back, especially if you have teenagers. They can go through clothes like crazy. So you have your wash area in the back, and these are really nice size bedrooms with a shared guest bathroom in the back for your children or guests that will be staying in your home. So with this washroom area, it has washer and dryer hookup plus a back door, so it can act as a mudroom for you if you want to use this as an entrance to your home instead of tracking through your home mud or dust. This home is about 1,500 square feet, and it is offered by Calvco out of Waco. And with this home model, it's priced around $97,000. So this is an affordable home option, especially if you have a family. And this is a manufactured home, and this is an affordable model.
Now, these homes was offered by Palm Harbor Homes. Now, when it comes down to dealing with prefab homes, of course, you're going to have manufactured and modular types. So you can decide according to your zoning which one you would have the flexibility to go with, because depending on where you're going to place the home, that's going to dictate what zoning and setback rules you may have to follow. Now, if you are a person who family has land, you can take the option of putting these homes on family land, or maybe you want to buy your own land in order to actually have a home installed. Now, with these options, this can be very quickly. Some of these models can actually be made in the manufactured within 4 weeks and ready for delivery. So you don't have to wait a long time, but you do have to have your normal site preparation. And this allows you, if you qualify for these homes, depending on how much you qualify for, you can roll in the site development cost into the loan itself, to if you need a well or septic system, depending on where you're putting it. This can be a really great option. And with these homes, you can qualify for FHA, USDA loans, and also VA loans can qualify. So this you can wrap in to buy the home and land packages many times with this dealers, and they'll roll it all into one price according to what you qualify for. And some of them actually have land sites already lined up for you, but you do want to do your own research on what is the property values in that area. If you deal with the home dealer, make sure that you do your own due diligence on the site location and the property values. So you want to do your own research before you make an investment of any size that you would have to pay for. So there are many options where you can get affordable housing, and maybe you need to think outside the box, especially in this economy. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. But if you have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.